Hey, welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Gary.Christiance. You know me better as the van guy, serving you since 1981. Been here a while and I can take care of your questions. Today, what question do you have is what you're showing us. So this is a 59G. Let me show you what is so great about this unit. If you're looking for something that will take care of 4 people, well, this is your unit. It's got a dinette, which I've already got made down. You slide this across. Actually, I believe, no, that's the right one, because it fits in here really tight. That's scooted over, that's why it's not fitting. So there's this part right here. Come on, baby. There's a metal pole that goes across here. You put that in and then this piece fits right in here. So it makes your bed up. So that's a double bed. You do have 2 seat belts over here for these 2 people, which makes it really nice. Water tank is right here. It's inside the unit. All your water lines are inside the unit. These are not going to freeze. You can take this out in cold weather, not be concerned about the fresh water lines freezing up. Full length running board. So they got rid of the step that comes in and out and put this on. That way you can get in the driver's passenger seat as well as this. This is your grab handle to get in. That's your screen. When it says pull here, it means this way, not that way. It's got a corner bathroom here in the back. Okay, I fit, right? Just wanted to show you that a guy my size can get in here and utilize it. Take the power one when you're taking a shower. Of course, it's hooked up here. Get it the right temperature here. Pull your curtain, and then you can get yourself wet, turn it off, scrub up, and then rinse yourself off. You do have a couple compartments for storage. There's one right in here for toilet paper. And another one right here, and you can see that there's a seal around it to help keep the water out. You got a little mirror back in here. A switch for your shower. And that closes off. So here in the back, you got a double bed. This is your little mattress part. I'll show that when we get back outside. I am in the up position to show you that you've got storage down below here, as well as these drawers. But wait, there's more. So this is a storage area here. You can open up these Velcro straps. Come on. You can put stuff this way, or you could go to the one in the back, open it up, and use the entire compartment like a fishing pole or something like that. That's what you could use it for. And of course this one here works as well. Got a nice little rack up here. So that's how quick it makes into a bed. You can put your bedding back in here when you put it in the up position, or you can put it up on top because there's plenty of storage up in here. Got a little USB port right in here. Kitchen. So nice storage area up on top. A little glass spacer for heat off your 2-burner stove. Recessed. It's got your igniter right here and your control valves. Recessed sink. Zhuka. That way you have a nice workspace. Counter extension. And good storage in here. And then Full extension on your drawers. High-grade plywood. 110 outlet, GFI. Microwave. Not enough clearance to do a convection up here. Nice little storage cubby in there. Closet, plenty of room. Here's all the owner's information that the guys have put in there. Refrigerator. Compressor style refrigerator, very efficient. Don't have to have it really level to make this operate, which is a nice feature. Freezer opens up from the right to the left. Nice freezer compartment. And again, you can move all the stuff around to fit what you want. Goes back, like I said, goes back into a dinette. MCD shades. You can pull the TV when the chairs are turned around because they both spin all the way around. And then you've got where your remotes are kept over here, a switch to turn the TV on. Storage up over the top. Now both of these chairs, there we go. Both of these chairs do turn around just with a lever on the front corner of each seat. Power mirrors on a Dodge Pro-Ram chassis. They're both adjustable, so you can switch drivers. You don't have to get out, open windows up, mess with stuff. You just turn the switch and it'll do both mirrors on both sides. Push a button and they'll fold in if you're in a tight area. Visibility out this front window is phenomenal. It makes you feel like you can see right down to the ground right in front of your bumper. Great visibility. I drove one of these over to Redmond, Oregon for a sportsman show in early March over the pass. Front wheel drive handles really nice. Great control. Not concerned at all. This is a nice new red color they came up with. Power awning goes out 8 feet and got a sensor on it, so if wind comes up, automatically retracts itself back in. Black water flush, if you're wanting to flush your black tank, hook a hose here, it'll rinse it all out on the inside. Cable hookup, 12 volt outlet, 110. You can bring a TV out here and hook it up. Bike rack, will carry 2 bikes. It's got a luggage rack on top. It's got a ladder. But let me show you about this ladder. So, luggage rack. How the heck are you going to get up there to get anything? Well, with this new ladder design, you can take it off the back, hang it up on the luggage rack, and climb up there. So now we have a storage pod up on top. We can have a kayak rack. There's a lot of things you can do up there, as well as get up and clean your solar panel, etc. off. There's a spot you can add additional solar panels. Sewer hose goes in here. Your true outlet, you don't have to be worried about being burned. It's a real low output. 110 cord cable. You got your water tank fill and your city fill. Propane fill is down here. Fuel fill. We've covered a lot of information, and I know you got a question. Just go right to the van guy. Write this down because they're not putting it on the screen. It's 541-554-9581. I appreciate your time, and I look forward to talking with you. Have a good day.